Mark your calendars. January 22, 2025. Get ready for a game changer. January 22, 2025, could mark the day Samsung transforms the flagship market. With new processors, familiar pricing, and some regional variations, let's break down what we can expect from the Galaxy S25 series. Global specs and pricing. All models in the Galaxy S25 lineup are expected to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. No Exynos here, folks. Thanks to a recent leak by renowned tipster Roland Quant, we have insight into European pricing. Here's the good news. Samsung is likely to keep the prices in line with the previous generation. The Galaxy S25 will reportedly start at €899 for the 128GB variant, with the 256GB model priced at €959. The Galaxy S25 Plus will come in at €1,149 for the 256GB version, while the 512GB configuration is rumored to cost €1,269. As for the top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra, it might start at €1,449 for the 256GB base model and could go up to €1,569 for the 512GB version. For those looking for the ultimate flagship experience, the 1TB variant could be priced at €1,899. This pricing consistency is refreshing, especially as flagship phone prices keep rising. However, be cautious. While Europe may benefit from these prices, other regions like the US might not be so fortunate due to the Snapdragon 8 Elite's premium price and global inflation trends. RAM and performance expectations. While the leak doesn't detail RAM specifics, earlier rumors suggest the base Galaxy S25 will likely feature at least 12GB of RAM, while the Ultra model might come with a whopping 16GB. The real question remains: will Samsung maintain its competitive edge with these prices as rivals like Apple and Google step up their game? Only time will tell. Price leaks and inflation concerns. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's price is shaping up to be a premium offering. While it's still early, we have enough information to make a solid guess. If Samsung manages to keep the prices from last year, we could see the 256GB model starting at $1,299. However, that would represent a $100 increase over last year's model, and given the inflationary pressures, a price hike seems likely. The Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is expected to power all three Galaxy S25 models, is rumored to cost 25 to 30% more than the previous generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This increase, along with the rising costs of materials, could push the price of the S25 Ultra higher, potentially reaching $1,449. However, there's a chance that Samsung could offset the price hike by keeping the US price steady while increasing prices in other regions. Despite this, a $1,449 price tag might be risky given that it would make the S25 Ultra $210 more expensive than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Possible outcome. The most likely outcome seems to be a price starting at $1,349, as raising the price by $100 for 2 consecutive years might be excessive. Galaxy S25 Ultra design. Here's a first official look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, courtesy of Fresh Dummy Images. The new flagship will come in silver and black, with additional colors available at launch. Expect a titanium blue variant to be the signature color. The design maintains Samsung's aesthetic, but the frame will be slightly rounded instead of the sharp corners we're used to. The phone will be taller with a reduced width, and the screen size will be slightly larger at 6.86 inches, though it's the improved handling that's the real win here. On the right side of the frame, there will be 3 buttons, 2 for volume adjustment and 1 multifunction key. These buttons will match the titanium material of the frame, which offers both durability and a lightweight feel. The rear of the phone will feature a vertically arranged camera setup with 3 large rings and 2 smaller sensors, complete with an LED flash for low-light photography. Launch date and what's coming. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in the first quarter of next year, with the Unpacked event potentially happening on January 22 in San Francisco, USA. Innovation and future features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is making waves even before launch. Rumors suggest that both the 512GB and 1TB variants could come with 16GB of RAM, while the base 256GB model is expected to feature 12GB. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 series may include revolutionary charging tech, with leaks pointing toward a NextGen Key 2 charging standard. The series could offer both non-magnetic and magnetic charging profiles, similar to Apple's MagSafe but customized for Android devices. All these upgrades make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a serious contender for the most innovative phone of 2025. With increased power, smarter charging, and premium features, it's safe to say the hype is real. But will it live up to expectations? Conclusion: are you ready for Samsung's next big release? Drop your thoughts below, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next video.